does Ringtone Feeder work? Well, basically, you go to ringtonefeeder.com, you choose from one of our subscription types, you're transferred to PayPal to complete the transaction, you get a username and password, you click on the link, and iTunes opens up, and ringtones come automatically. For more details or even try a free demo, visit www.ringtonefeeder.com. Don't have an iPhone? Check out ringtonefeeder.com/onetone for more information.